87 kilometers yesterday. See what we get today. What do we got on this thing total now? 3,200 almost. Whew. Well, going up Boulder Mountain today. Maybe. So I'm hoping that no one's been up in the zone we're trying to get to today. I went here last year once and it was a cool adventure getting there. Also where I rode off my 2019, but well, try not to have a repeat of that. And it looks like we're gonna have another beautiful bluebird day. Stoked about that. I'm just stoked every day I'm here, man. How can you not be? So there's a few tracks going in here. Hopefully it doesn't go into the secret stash. How is that for a tree? That is insane. Carrying up the valley bottom. I think the last time I was up here, I saw 5 moose. Let's see if we see one today. Saw some tracks already. Well, I guess we'll start our ascent into the trees. Man, this zone's fun. We got Jason breaking through.
That was freaking awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. there today.
Yeah, Jeff, you have a copy?
Sled blew up.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it fucking blew the belt to smithereens. You got a spare belt, Matt?
Ah, friggin' bog. As soon as I let off the throttle, the friggin' thing, well, as soon as I let off the throttle and get back on, I got a terrible bog. Whoops. Holy shit, I gotta get up this. Well, we were getting some serious bogging, but we made it up. Next destination, right there. Hey ya! Well, we're gonna hike to the top of this peak here. Maybe not. It's a bit of a drop off here. Oh, heli ski train back here. Got the probe, making sure we're not on a cornice. Got lots of rock right here, so beauty. Oh, there's the heli. Pick up these guys. Oh, there's like 10 of them. everywhere today. Jump right there. Little slabby here. Yeah. Drive down to like 5,400 there. Got the squirrely running here uphill. Not much room for speed. Send it a little bit. Well, I guess that's it for today. Always awesome being the only ones in a zone and having the entire mountain to yourself. Oh man, that beat me. Thanks. Whew. So we're on the scene here of where I rode off my 2019 snowmobile. There's one tiny little branch up there. Can't really see it from here, but I caught my throttle cable, pulled it apart. I was just standing on one side of my sled because we had a packed in trail through here. So sled went wide open through here, hit this little pillow, my sled sitting on here, and it didn't have any power. So it flipped upside down and landed in between these two trees here. You could see the marks still on the tree. Yeah, that was a good day. Well, I guess the sled's a write-off. I was just putting through here. I don't know what happened. Branch must have grabbed the throttle. Wide open. All the plastics are smashed off. Coolant bottles smashed off. The fucking pieces and inlets and exhaust pipe hit the chain case and bent. Fucking broke. Frame broke. Exhaust pipe is touching the plastics over here. Oil bottles all smashed in and moved. End of the jack shaft is bent, so maybe the jack shaft is bent. Running board's bent. Tunnel's a little bent. And that's about it. This is cool riding down here. Got our cool snow bridge across the river here. Sometimes it's hard to find. That's a big tree. There's the snow bridge. Snow jump. Alright guys, that's it for day 42. Hope you enjoyed. I had an awesome day out there today. Another bluebird day. Can't get enough of those. I think though I might have to work on my sled a bit in the morning. I think I'm gonna take the secondary clutch off and just check it out, make sure there's nothing wrong with it. And I don't really know what to look for. I'm gonna take it to the dealer, but I don't think they can look at it till sometime next week, so that's kind of crappy. I'll still ride it the way it is, whatever. If it blows up, well, it's it's under warranty. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.